Indo-German Science and Technology Center, a joint initiative of the Department of Science and Technology DST Government of India and the Ministry of Education and Research BMBF Government of Germany to facilitate collaborative scientific research, technology development and innovation.
The world is changing at an unprecedented rate, thanks to the rapid advancement of science and technology. In such a dynamic environment, it is more important than ever to forge international partnerships to address the challenges we foresee. The Indo-German Science and Technology Center, IGSTC, is a stellar example of such a bilateral partnership. Established in 2010 through collaboration between the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and the Federal Ministry of Education and Research, Government of Germany, the IGSTC is dedicated to advancing industrial research partnership, creating opportunities for the exchange of ideas and building knowledge networks to deal with global challenges. Since its inception, the IGSTC has been steadfast in its commitment to promote transformative research and industrial development. It has succeeded in providing new direction to the idea of mutual cooperation in the realm of science and technology development. The significance of Indo-German relations in the area of scientific and technological research is underscored by the presence of IGSTC. The center, serving as a powerhouse to the application-oriented research, stands as India's one of the 3 bilateral hubs and sole bilateral center of Germany on a global scale. The IGSTC lays emphasis on applied research projects, networking, and in capacity building through various programs. To drive research and innovation, the IGSTC offers a range of initiatives, including its flagship program 2+2 projects. This initiative brings together research and academic institutions along with public-private industries from both India and Germany, inspiring collaborative projects with a focus on research and development. IGSTC also facilitates bilateral workshops between scientific institutions and industries of both nations, providing a platform for substantive interactions and nurturing collaboration.
It gives a platform to foster really the relationship between the Indian and the German academia, but also the industry.
IGSTC Hub has done by bringing researchers from India and Germany together is they have spurred a win-win situation for both countries.
I think without IGSTC's help, we would not have been able to sort of interact not only among universities but also university and industry across 2 countries in a seamless manner like what we are doing today.
Instead of 1 brain, if 4 brains work together, the outcome will be fantastic.
Industrial fellowships to motivate PhD students and post-doctoral researchers from India towards applied research. IGSTC Industrial Fellowships provide a unique opportunity to work in a German industrial setup. Women involvement in science and engineering research, WISER, address the underrepresentation of women researchers in the fields of science and engineering, involving them actively in science and engineering endeavors. Paired Early Career Fellowship in Applied Research, PECFA, facilitates networking and collaboration in applied research among young and dynamic early career Indian and German researchers. Small Immediate Need Grants, SING, supports initiatives that require immediate and modest funding to kickstart Indo-German bilateral collaborations on a larger scale. Connect Plus enhances scientific exchange and networking between India and Germany, fostering long-term cooperation among participants of the Indo-German Frontiers of Engineering Symposia. the IGSTC has evolved as a hub for harnessing the scientific expertise and technological excellence, driving research and development to unprecedented heights in India and Germany. Bridging horizons and fostering collaboration across boundaries, IGSTC stands as a testament to the puissance of international cooperation in leveraging science and technology for the betterment of society and humanity.